clicked here to listen to Mrs. Tomlinson read or explain the assignment to you aloud. First of all, you're going to pick the name of the scientist that you choose, and our project due date will probably be in a couple of days. Check the Schoology calendar. This is a group project that can be completed even individually. The objective is to research and showcase a scientist that has made a contribution to the world and your life personally. Whether the scientist invented something, made something better, contributed enormous ideas, or discovered something, it is your job to display it, report about it, and share it. First thing, you're going to choose one of the following options to display. You're either going to create a full color mini poster of the scientist, including all important facts, or create a printed children's comic book, including all important facts. And later in this document, I've provided you with a template. Then you get to choose one of the following options to report. So you either create a front page news story or article, including all important facts about the scientist that is entertaining and explains how their invention, discovery, or contribution affects society today, or create a newscast video that includes all important facts and entertains with how their invention, discovery, or contribution affects society today. You would have to make this into a YouTube or a Google slide and share it with me, and I will play it for the class. Or you can dress like the scientist and put on a small skit to perform for the class that includes all important facts, entertains, and includes how their invention, discovery, or contribution affects society today. The last thing that is required is for you to recreate or design an experiment or model related to the scientist using the scientific method. You're going to demonstrate or present it to the class in science fair style, and you'll see what that means towards the end of this document. So here are the all-important facts. There are 11 of them. You need to include the first, middle, and last name of the scientist, a picture of the scientist. You need to say how long they were alive or how many years they've been alive, with their birth date, the death date, if they died. Field of influence or study. Are they biology, zoology, botany, meteorology? What is their field of study or influence? What country were they born in? Where they did or where they do their work. Description in your own words of what the scientist is known for. Pictures, graphics, or what the scientist is known for, like why do we care about this person? How this scientist benefited society today and you personally. A quote by your scientist, and any other fun, interesting stories about their work or childhood. Okay, so now you get to choose your scientist. You can click here and it will take you to find an interactive list of a few scientists and inventors. And so this list you can actually is like interactive. You can click on one, then it will give you all the basic information. But here's another list of inventors that I'm not going to read them all out loud to you. But these are more recent and possibly more extensive ideas to study. Maybe Elon Musk, Jane Goodall, Steve Jobs, Temple Grandin, Shane Chen, Leland Melvin. There's a whole lot of names here for you to look up. And there's some things that go with them that might look interesting to you, okay? So as I said, one of the ways that you can present is to make a comic book template. And I have a hard copy of this for you, and you can just fill it in to tell about the scientist. Or you can do a news article, and I have this for you to just fill in. In the end, this is actually the required piece that you need to share with the class. You can review the scientific method here. There's a little link. But then remember, this is a model or it is an experiment that you either recreated or that your famous scientist actually went through in the scientific process that you will share with the class. All right, have fun. Pick a scientist that you actually enjoy, that you're interested in, okay? So again, choose one of the following. So you have one display, which could be a mini poster or a comic book. Pick one way to report, which would be the front page news or a newscast video or dress like a scientist. And then you have to recreate or design an experiment or model related to the scientist. So there are 3 things for you to do. All right, good luck, have fun, and learn something about science.